If you've ever dreamed of living life on your terms, free from financial stress, you're not alone. Financial freedom is achievable, and it starts with small, smart decisions that create big results. Today, I'll share 5 simple and powerful money tips to help you save smarter, invest wisely, and take control of your future. Let's get started on your journey to financial independence. First, track your spending. Knowing where your money goes helps you control it. Use apps like Mint or a simple notebook to see what you're spending on. Find small things to cut back on, like unnecessary subscriptions or takeout, and use that money for your goals. Second, always save before you spend. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every time you get paid. Even 10% of your income adds up over time. This makes saving effortless and keeps you consistent. Third, start investing early. Saving is great, but investing is how you grow wealth. Use beginner-friendly tools like ETFs or index funds, and start small if needed. The sooner you start, the more your money grows with compound interest. Fourth, set clear financial goals. Write down what you're saving for, like a vacation, a car, or early retirement. Break it into small steps, like saving your first $500. Achieving these steps keeps you motivated. Finally, focus on paying off high-interest debt. Credit card debt can hold you back, so make a plan. Use the snowball method for small debts, or the avalanche method for high-interest ones. The sooner you're debt-free, the faster you can grow your savings. And that's it. 5 simple tips to take control of your money and move toward financial freedom. Remember, it's not about overnight success. It's about consistent, smart decisions that pay off in the long run. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.